Welcome to my masterclass. Today we're making breakfast. We're making French toast, egg in a hole. I love it. Breakfast is my favorite meal. So we start with 2 eggs, a pinch of nutmeg, and some aromate, of course. And that's gonna give me that beautiful golden color. So you give it a nice whisk. Now we're ready to dunk our bread. I have shea butter. It's nice and thick. Just make sure it sucks in all the juice. Give it a shake. And now we go in with our cup. Now our bread is ready to get into the pan. Love the sizzle. So you want to go 2 to 3 minutes on each side at high heat. Now that's the golden finish you want to end up with is from our aromate. Now this is my favorite part. It's all coming together. It's almost breakfast time. 180 degrees, 10 minutes, and breakfast is served. Okay guys, breakfast is ready. Our egg is perfectly done. You want your white to be completely cooked because it holds the yolk perfectly. And now we're dusting off with our cinnamon and sugar. And the last thing before we dig in, syrup. I mean, what's French toast without syrup, right? There we have it. My dish is ready. French toast, egg in a hole. I'm gonna dig in.